Did you know one of America's most deadly killers lived as a perfect family man for 30 years? Richard Kuklinski seemed like any other suburban dad in New Jersey. He had a wife, kids, and ran what looked like a normal business. But behind this mask, he was the Iceman, a contract killer who claimed over 200 murders. His methods were terrifyingly smart. He used cyanide to poison victims without a trace. He shot people with different guns to confuse police. But his signature move earned his nickname, freezing dead bodies to hide when they actually died. For 3 decades, Kuklinski fooled everyone. His family had no idea. His neighbors trusted him. Meanwhile, he was one of the Mafia's most reliable killers. His downfall came when undercover agent Dominic Polifrone posed as a criminal. During secret recordings, Kuklinski got sloppy. He mixed up details about his murders, giving police the evidence they needed. In 1986, the loving father was arrested. He died in prison 20 years later, proving that monsters can hide in plain sight.